Thank you for your interest in this property in the Florida Keys. You can contact the Florida Keys Home Team at 305-394-2500 to schedule an appointment or to request more information. We are here to help, offering personalized professional service. Are you looking for a large, corner, waterfront lot in Key Largo for under $500,000 to build your dream home? Here it is. This 10,000 square feet corner lot has 100 ft plus / of canal front with a boat ramp, great for putting kayaks and paddle boards into the water. The double-wide mobile home that is located on the property will need to be removed. However, you can start to build your dream home immediately. Located at mile marker 106 on the Bayside in the Lake Surprise Estate subdivision. Call for more information. This may just be the piece of paradise you've been looking for.